Online platforms are booming today due to this pandemic. And as we all know, there is no option other than taking the business online. And more than 70% of web applications are building using WordPress. So, do you want to know how to get more traffic on your WordPress site? Are you confused to choosing your WordPress theme according to your niche? So don't worry, in this video we are going to see what is one of the best WordPress theme in terms of efficiency, SEO friendly and compatibility without any cost. And that is nothing but Astra. At this moment, it has 1 million plus active installations and most of the people are give 5-star ratings to Astra WordPress theme. So these are nothing but a very good portfolio for Astra. Astra developed and designed by Brainsforce, that is an Indian company. And it has very talented team because they continuously improve and upgrade Astra according to users' requirement. Before going ahead, I want to show you some web application that I have built using Astra. So you can see this is massroyalservice.com. It is an repair service provider in Kolkata. This is very simple design. And as you can see, it takes very less time to loading. Next is promoji.com. So Promoji is an e-commerce coupon code website. Here you will get additional discount on every product, no matter whether you are shopping on Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra. And only you need to go through Promoji discount link. And next is rack building maintenance. Then Anthony Barabas, a plastic surgeon consultancy. And now Little Fingers at Work. Little Fingers at Work, a kindergarten blog. There are many other web applications that I have built using Astra, but now let's move towards Astra review. That will be very beneficial for you if you want to get more traffic on your WordPress site and if you want to grow your business online. So first of all, let's talk about speed. Friends, this is very lightweight and high speed theme because as you can see that in Pingdom it has 100% speed grade, while in Google page speed it has 95% and it has 400 millisecond loading time for a normal page in GTmetrix and it has 91% speed grade for Wislow. So overall it has very amazing speed and very less loading time for a page. Now number 2 is SEO friendly. You need to choose a SEO friendly theme because competition level is very high nowadays. And if you want to grow your web application and if you want to get more traffic on your site, then you should have lightweight and SEO friendly theme that will rank on Google. And that is why Astra is best suited for you because it is very lightweight, because Astra is lightweight and high speed theme, as well as it doesn't have any complex coding. So it has very simple code and negligible jQuery, and that is the reason it is one of the most SEO friendly WordPress theme. And most importantly, it has schema markup that is enabled automatically, and that will help to rank your website. And that is the reason Astra one of the best SEO friendly WordPress theme. If you will create any pages in Astra, then it will include schema that will very helpful for search engine optimization. And that is the reason Astra is one of the best SEO friendly WordPress theme. Now let's talk about upgradations. As you can see, Astra has more than 170 of versions. It was launched 4th May 2017 and till now it has more than 170 versions. That means 172 times Astra updated. It may including bug fixing, implementing new features and updates according to user experience. And it is very important to update and improvement a WordPress theme for compatibility with plugins and new features. And now it has very amazing feature that is ready to import websites. That all of you know, Astra has starter template. So after installing the Astra theme, you will get these templates. Many of them are free and some of them are available in Astra Pro. You can implement this site using just one click. After only one click, you will get this amazing look in your own domain. If you want to buy Astra Pro, I'll provide you a discount link in my description. It is very amazing feature of Astra and there is no cost for this. Next is customization. Customization features very helpful for those who want to fully customize a WordPress site. So in Astra, even if you are using a free theme, then also you can customize your header, footers and sections easily. Even you can change the copyright text without moving the Pro version. And none of the theme are providing this facility if you are using a free version. Number 6. Compatibility. Friends, Astra is a compatible and flexible theme because you can use page builders like Elementor, Beaver Builder and Thrive architecture very easily, as well as you can use integrated tools like WooCommerce, LearnDash, Toolset and Yoast in a simple way. So Astra is a very flexible and integration supported theme, and that is why you can use Astra for a WooCommerce website, for a blog and for other niche. Now let's talk about support, because support and community as well as very important for any product. And I don't know about Astra free version, but Astra Pro has very helpful support team. You can also join Astra Facebook page or user groups for any kind of help, because this group has some experts which will help you if you are facing some problem. As you know, Astra is a free theme and you can use it freely. There is no cost for Astra WordPress theme, but if you want to get some additional features like all Astra Pro features, templates, one-to-one support, extensive training, and you can get it for unlimited website. You can see here there are 3 plans. You can choose any of them. And if you want to get some additional discount, please go through the link that I'll place in my description. Astra is most trusted and recommended WordPress theme because Ben Pines, the CMO of Elementor, Justin Ferryman, CEO of LearnDash, and many other experts are recommended And by the way, if you want to know that how we can create an amazing business website within 10 minutes, then you should go to I button or my description link. I have a video in which I explained in a very simple way. So after watching that, you can create your own business website. And you don't need to hire someone who may charge you around $1,000 for a basic website. If you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. And if you want to develop your business website free of cost, then you can contact me at given email ID. Now allow me see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck.